It started with the fluorosis of my teeth, which caused me to be very insecure, which led me to other dentists throughout my life telling me to get veneers, you know, maybe caps, but then nothing ever stuck. So I just ended up here and we discussed everything. I've been grinding my teeth, which has caused pressure in my jaw. It causes my jaw to pop out of place a lot, which causes a lot of, you know, worrying. Now I'm ready for the transformation. Dr. Muslin is the best. Honestly, he has really changed my life for the better. I feel a million times better. Not only do I feel more confident, but I feel as though my jaw feels a lot better. I don't have as much pressure, as much problems. Dr. Sam Muslin is literally so unique and different, and there's no one like him.